Hello everyone, let's learn how to fix a Rubik's cube with the misplaced pieces. So let's see how to fix it. So first you can just remove all the pieces. So first of all, let's see the opposites. Opposite of yellow will be white, so fix that center pieces first. Opposite of orange will be red, and opposite of blue will be green. So once you fix the center pieces, you can start putting the pieces one by one. First we will go on fixing the centers: yellow, blue, orange, yellow, blue. So it will go in the middle piece. Yellow, blue, red, this corner. Yellow, red, green, yellow, red, yellow, green, yellow, green, orange, yellow, green, orange, yellow, orange. So we almost finished the top layer. Only one is left: yellow, orange, blue. So we finished the top layer. So next we can just continue in the same way: orange, blue, orange, green, next we have white color. So let's finish all the whites: orange, white, green, orange, white, orange, white, blue, next is blue, white, next is blue, white, green, red, white, green, white, red, green, white, red, and last we have. So now our cube is fixed.